What does a twisted action have to do with justice? How does an act that deviates from the norm find its place in the legal system? Let's unravel the fascinating story of tort law in India, a journey that intertwines history, culture, and justice. The word torts comes from the Latin term tortum, which means to twist. This etymology is quite fitting, as tort law deals with actions that twist away from what is considered normal or acceptable behavior. Essentially, torts are actions that deviate from the norm, actions that may not be criminal but are wrongful under the law of torts. These actions can cause harm or loss to individuals, and the law seeks to provide remedies for such wrongs. Historically, the King's Courts in England handled specific issues in a particular way. These courts were the foundation of what we now know as the law of torts. Over time, these methods became the standard for resolving similar problems, shaping the law of torts. The principles established in these early courts have evolved, but their essence remains the same. The wrongful act is called a tort, and the solution or compensation is the remedy. This remedy can take various forms, such as monetary compensation, injunctions, or other legal reliefs. Now let's zoom into India and explore how tort law was introduced and adapted to the Indian context. The concept of torts was introduced during the British colonial period. The British brought with them their legal system, which included the principles of tort law. In the 18th century, courts were established in Madras, Bombay, and Calcutta. These courts were modelled after the British legal system and were instrumental in administering justice in colonial India. English judges were tasked with resolving cases based on justice, equity, and good conscience. They had to navigate the complexities of Indian society while applying English legal principles. They applied English legislation and common law to the unique circumstances of Indian society. This blend of legal traditions created a hybrid system that addressed the needs of the local population. This blend of English principles with Indian contexts created a system that addressed local disputes while maintaining a sense of fairness and justice. The adaptation of tort law in India was a significant step in ensuring that justice was accessible to all. The law of torts in India evolved, ensuring that twisted actions, though not always criminal, were recognized and remedied. This evolution was crucial in providing a legal framework for addressing civil wrongs. So the next time you hear tort, think of it as untwisting the wrongs to bring justice. Tort law plays a vital role in maintaining social order by holding individuals accountable for their actions and providing remedies for those who have been wronged. And that's how tort law helped shape justice in India. The journey of tort law from its origins in England to its adaptation in India is a testament to the enduring principles of justice and fairness.